All done, Nagua. And here's a new article about sports cars. Custom content for producing a 10-minute video using NVIDIA AI. Article title, Supercars, the ultimate combination of speed, power, and luxury. Supercars are not just machines, they are works of art, blending cutting-edge technology, aerodynamic design, and heart-pounding performance. These vehicles represent the pinnacle of automotive engineering and have become symbols of wealth, success, and engineering excellence. Let's dive into what makes these cars so special and why they continue to capture the imagination of car enthusiasts worldwide. What defines a supercar? A supercar is typically characterized by extreme speed, impressive acceleration, sleek design, and exclusive features. While there is no official definition, supercars are generally expected to exceed 200 nm, 320 km/h, in top speed and have a 0 to 60 mph time of under 3 seconds. They are built for performance, offering both power and handling that can push the boundaries of human driving capabilities. The evolution of supercars. Supercars have evolved significantly over the years, with notable milestones that set new benchmarks in performance and design. Some legendary cars that have defined the supercar industry include Ferrari F40, 1987, one of the most iconic supercars ever made. The F40 is a celebration of Ferrari's engineering prowess. With its 2.9L twin-turbo V8 engine, it was the first production car to break the 200 nm barrier. McLaren F1, 1992. A car ahead of its time, the McLaren F1 became the fastest production car in the world, with a top speed of 243 mph. It featured a central driving position, a BMW V12 engine, and an unparalleled combination of speed and luxury. Lamborghini Aventador, 2011. Known for its bold design and aggressive looks, the Aventador features a V12 engine producing 730 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds of 217 mph. At the heart of every supercar lies the engine. Most supercars are powered by V8, V10 or V12 engines, each delivering immense power and thrilling acceleration. These cars are designed to handle sharp corners, high speeds, and extreme driving conditions. For example, the Bugatti Chiron boasts an astonishing 1,500 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in 2.5 seconds, reaching a top speed of 261 mph. Such power and performance make supercars ideal for track days and high-performance driving. Supercars are not just about speed, they are also about luxury and exclusivity. These cars are often handcrafted with luxurious interiors featuring premium leather seats, customized designs, and state-of-the-art entertainment systems. Every detail is designed to offer an exceptional driving experience. Supercars are rare, with limited production runs ensuring their exclusivity. For example, Ferrari only produces a limited number of cars each year, making each model highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. As the automotive world shifts towards sustainability, hybrid technology is making its way into the supercar market. Brands like Ferrari, Porsche, and McLaren have introduced hybrid models that blend electric efficiency with traditional petrol power to deliver impressive performance while reducing emissions. For example, the Ferrari SF90 Stradale features a V8 engine combined with 3 electric motors, producing a total of 986 horsepower. This hybrid supercar offers the best of both worlds, lightning-fast performance and eco-friendly driving. Why do people love supercars? Owning a supercar is more than just owning a car. It's about having a piece of automotive history and making a statement. Supercars are symbols of wealth, success, and status. They offer an unmatched driving experience, delivering both comfort and power in ways that few other vehicles can. Moreover, the exclusivity of owning a supercar means that only a select few can experience the thrill of driving these exceptional machines. For supercar enthusiasts, owning one is just the beginning. There is a whole lifestyle built around these vehicles, with exclusive events such as Goodwood Festival of Speed in the UK, a legendary event where the world's top supercars and hypercars gather to compete and showcase their power. Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance in the USA celebrates the finest in luxury and performance cars, attracting the rarest supercars and wealthiest collectors. The Monaco Grand Prix is one of the most famous Formula One races, where supercar owners can show off their prized vehicles in the streets of Monte Carlo. The future of supercars looks exciting as manufacturers push the boundaries of technology. With advances in electric powertrains, autonomous driving, and lightweight materials, the next generation of supercars will offer even greater performance while being more environmentally friendly. The introduction of electric models like the Lotus Evija and Pininfarina Battista is showing that supercar manufacturers are taking the leap toward electric power. These cars can deliver 1,900 horsepower or more, proving that electric power is capable of matching the thrilling performance of traditional gasoline engines. References: Ferrari SF90 Stradale, the McLaren F1, and the Bugatti Chiron. Links are in the description. All done, Nagua. And here's a new article about sports cars. Custom content for producing a 10-minute video using NVIDIA AI. Article title: Supercars, the ultimate combination of speed, power, and luxury. Would you like the next article to be about electric cars or classic cars? The rise of hybrid cars, bridging the gap between gasoline and electric power. As the world moves toward cleaner and more efficient modes of transportation, hybrid cars have become the perfect bridge between traditional gasoline vehicles and fully electric ones. They offer better fuel efficiency, lower emissions, and advanced technology, making them an ideal choice for drivers who want to go green without worrying about charging stations. In this video, we'll explore what hybrid cars are, how they work, their benefits, and why they represent an important step toward a sustainable automotive future. A hybrid car combines two power sources, a gasoline engine and an electric motor. The vehicle can switch between these two systems or use both simultaneously to achieve maximum efficiency. The goal is to reduce fuel consumption and carbon emissions while maintaining the convenience and range of traditional vehicles. There are three main types of hybrid vehicles. Mild hybrids use an electric motor to assist the gasoline engine, but cannot drive using electricity alone. Full hybrids can drive on the electric motor alone for short distances or use both systems together. Plug-in hybrids, PHEVs, have larger batteries that can be recharged using an external power source, allowing longer all-electric driving ranges. Hybrid cars are the perfect balance between gasoline reliability and electric efficiency. The hybrid system uses advanced technology to seamlessly manage power flow between the gasoline engine and the electric motor. Here's how it works. At low speeds, the car runs primarily on the electric motor, using energy stored in the battery. During acceleration, the gasoline engine activates to provide extra power, assisted by the electric motor. At high speeds, the car mainly relies on the gasoline engine for sustained power. Regenerative braking: when the driver brakes, the electric motor acts as a generator, capturing energy and sending it back to recharge the battery. This system allows hybrid cars to deliver excellent fuel economy and reduced emissions, especially in city driving where stop-and-go traffic enables frequent, regenerative braking. Hybrid technology intelligently blends two power sources for efficiency, performance, and lower fuel use.